A wee bit of change of tempo now from Charles Colquhoun. Charles, like me, bides in Airmondale, and a few of you might ken Charles, or if you've ever went through Airmondale, I had the shop at the Cross for long and weary until I retired a wee while ago. Early retirement, you tell me. So this is Charles. This is about the new teacher, and again this is about the use of the Scots words in English.
I'm a wee bit handicapped in this year because I've lost my original words in this. Actually, I got them from a school teacher down in Linlithgow, Jim Douglas, who was in the academy down in Linlithgow. But I've got a substitute version here. It's the words are a wee bit different, but I'll get used to it in time. I'm sure they might be. Right, it goes like this. Is a dove a doo-da? Is a doo a dove? Is a cow a coo-da? A sparrow just a speug? And is a wall a water? Is a dog? She's gonna box my ears down, instead of skelp my luck. My teacher's awfully posh now, she changes all her names. Me Shuggy is now Huda, and Jimmy I was Jim's. I'm puzzled with order, the way she shuggles was, and I must be break it, no to ken that feather friends are birds. You left me all wrong down, you called a ball. Your wife is new my mother down, you said she was my ma. And I'm no sure who to spell down, I'll never pass my test. What is this I'm wearing new, a summit or a vest? Is a dove a doo-da? Is a doo a dove? Is a cow a coo-da? A sparrow just a speug? And is a wall a water? Is a dog? She's going to box my ears down instead of skelp my luck. I gave my nose a dichter when it began to creak. She gave me such a fright down, I near fell off my seat. Haven't you got a handkerchief? She roared as if in pain. I just raised my sleeve, miss, and wiped my nose again. I called a mouse a moose da, I should have held my tongue. That's when you're on your bits da, it no longer is it done. Is a dove a doo-da? Is a doo a dove? Is a cow a coo-da? A sparrow just a speug? And is a wall a water? Is a dog? She's going to box my ears down instead of skelp my luck. It's turnips and potatoes, no tatties new and neats. She said I ripped my trousers that when I had only torn my breeks. There's 12 words for all thing that they're jumbled in my head. Who can I be well bred da when I keep saying breed? Is a crow da? Is a bull a bull? Now I'm going to try my hardest da. I will.
I've got to explain, Charles' the other version he did it, he'd been doing it for a while, and he's reading this new one now, and he's just getting totally confused.
I could be better reading it instead of singing it.